As the ADC AMAC chairmanship candidate for the 21st of February FCT elections, which are just about 5 weeks away, I am happy about the different people coming into the ADC, but I'm not distracted. My concern is about the residents of AMAC. It's about the artisan, the elderly people who are here. It's about those in the civil service. It's about the students, the young people, those who are perishing and wallowing in poverty and in penury. It is about fathers who can put food on their table. It is about those who have been denied their salaries. It is about our young people who have lost the power of conviction, who cannot find shelter. It's about the residents and the indigents whose homes have been demolished and broken without any attention. It is about primary schools, pupils sitting on the floor right here in AMAC. It is about residents without shelter. It's about our young people who have lost direction because they cannot find purpose. It's about the jobless. It's about the elderly. It's about the market woman. It's about all the markets that have been entrapped in multiple litigation. It's about the fact that we have the most important geographical space in Africa being led by visionless people. It is about the suffering residents in AMAC who are hungry, those who do not have clean water, those who do not have housing, who cannot transport themselves from one location to another. It's about those Kekenape people who are stranded as we speak right now. I dare say that the ADC is a platform for clarity. It's a platform for courage. It's a platform for conviction. It's a platform that is here to provide service for the community people. It's about nation building. It's about open governance. It's about transparency. It's about accountability. This is what we're here. It is about a new Nigeria, a new FCT, and a new AMAC that works for all, that I truly believe and know that is possible.
All right.
My name is Dr. Moses Paul, and I'm the next AMAC chairman.
Yes.